Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the little decoration to the bottom of your fingerless glove. You can kind of tell, or maybe you can tell where you started at the beginning, where that hole is. And we're going to start there. Well, here, kind of where this opening is. I'm going to join with a slip stitch. See, I just want to look at my other glove here, because you can do it different ways and it'll look different, but the little what do you call this, picot or non-picot, is kind of in between on the back post and not on the front post. So with that in mind, I will join on a back post right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a single crochet, and then I'm going to mark it. I like to do that. Okay, and then continue that same thing around as we did before, skipping that stitch, going into this stitch. Let's see if this works out right. Okay, skipping a stitch, and now is it working out? I just want to make sure it looks the same as my other glove with the back post and front posts. Okay, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the same stitch, skip a stitch. For some reason, 2, single crochet. That is actually ending up, okay, well I can just show you. You get a different look, and for some reason I did it differently. Okay. You get a different look, and you can do it either way, where the design, fan, whatever you want to call it, on this one ends up on the top of these posts that are the front posts that are coming out. And then on this one, I have the way I did it, I have the fan coming out of the post that's the back post. So not the one that's sticking out, but back. And I wanted to make them look the same, and I kind of like the way that it looks in this one. You can see that. So I'm going to undo these and change how I did that. I meant to do it on the back post, but there's a little gap there that needs to be closed. Anyways, as you can see, mistakes happen, and that's okay. Alright, so instead of starting right there, I'm going to start right here. I am definitely in a back, well, that's, we'll see. Chain 2 and crochet. I'm going to mark that first one. I'm kind of just talking out loud to myself, but let's see if this one works. Did I skip one? I don't even think I skipped one. Okay. Yeah, I did. Okay. I think we're doing it right now, or I'm doing it right now the way I wanted to, but you can do it either way. Just be aware that it will change the look of it a little bit on the bottom there, depending on which one you're skipping and which one you're working into. Okay. And actually, you don't even have to add this, but adds a little decorative touch to it and makes it just a teeny bit longer. And if you're doing a solid color, then you can always just do these edges in a different color to make it just 2 different colors, which could be nice too. Getting close to the end here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead to work one in there or not. It kind of should be closed because I think that was my chain. So I think I'm just gonna connect and use these ends to weave some of that together a little bit more. And then to get that gap right there, that's right there closed. So that would be back, you would skip it, that should be a chain, so we should just connect it to this one. And we'll see if that works well or not. Alright, I'm going to make this longer to fix some of those holes. That's not even connected right. Well, whatever. Okay. Just let that go. Okay. I'm just thinking out loud. Okay, I'm going to use that one to do that. Well, to tell myself to be quiet. Alright, my goal on this right here is to get down to this hole, which I told you we would fix at the beginning of the video by the end. So I'm going to get down to that. That's why I made that end extra long. Go down through here. You don't want it to show on the front side, so especially since I'm going through yellow and I'm using red. That's going to pull that a little tighter. You want to make sure that still stretches to get the hand in there. I'm just going to go down through the hole there. And there's the hole, and I'm going to go around it. There's some red there. And that will cinch it closed, so it will not be an issue. Sorry if I got off the camera. Okay. But I think you probably have seen enough how to close up a gap here, or how to weave in ends, but okay. A couple times this way, then I will cut that off. And in a minute I will weave in that other one, but let's just try them on. Let's see which way. I know I like the blue on top on this one, so I'm going to put that on my right hand, and this one's fine this way, so let's just see. I'll get that tucked in a little bit. There's one and two, and this yarn stretches out a little bit. You can weave it back into shape. Let's back up and see. It's always fun to finish a project. So colorful. They look really good for fall. And nail polish matches too. That was not on accident. Okay, I usually wear blue, but this red looks good with the yarn color. So, aren't they cute? I don't know if anybody else feels as satisfied as I do when something is finished. Alright. Well, I hope that you enjoyed making these gloves. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, and I'd love to see your gloves. I don't know if you can upload to comments or not. I have no idea. Okay, you can always email me pictures of your gloves. My email address is on the pattern if you download it. It is free. If you download it on my website, you can email me pictures. I'd love to see them, and sometimes I will share them on my blog post. So, thanks for watching. Bye.